Hello, it's me, Sylvia from Silver Slime Station, and today I will be unpacking a DIY Easter compound activity kit. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's unpackage. There's 3 different types of eggs. This is the sand egg, the dough egg, and the slime egg. I'm gonna start with the sand egg. See what it comes in. Ooh. Has a little peep-shaped mold. It comes with sand in a bag. That was very loud. Pour it out onto the table. It kind of feels like a kinetic sand. Mold. So we're going to take the little Peeps mold, put it into a square, and we're going to mold. That's so cute! Squish. Next egg, we're doing the dough egg. It's the purple egg, so I'm assuming it's going to be purple. Yup. Comes with a little egg shape for the dough. Unpackage time. Giving me Play-Doh vibes. Very Play-Doh-y. It's kind of like a mix between Play-Doh and slime. Now let's mold it into the shape of an egg. Now which way to turn it? Break it out, pop it out of the little mold. We have a little egg. Now let's actually spread it out from egg. Then we gotta roll it up. Roll it up. Let's move on to the pink slime egg. Pink egg. It comes with a little Peep bunny shape. Let's open it. Precision in cutting. Open it up and we have a jiggly slime. Oh. I already love this. It's like a little jiggly slime. I love it. Let's see, can we get a good bubble pop? Decent bubble pops there. Pokes. This is a decent water slime. I like it. Jiggly water slime. Let's try to mold it with the Peep shape. Let's see. Oh. Ah! Okay. And we take it out. It's sadness. It doesn't work with the slime. Overall, I would rate this about a 10 out of 10. Because I love this. I love like all the features, how it came with like little molds for like the slime and the dough and the sand. Didn't really work out with the slime, but it's still good. My favorite part was definitely the slime. I loved how it was jiggly and stuff. I love jiggly slimes. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!